Hello guys, welcome back to the Smith's family. Yes, I know I need to go to the barber. I'll do that shortly. So today the family is out on the road. The wife is going to collect her police record, but we have to go to the post office first to get a stamp and so on. So today we are going to show you the baby, right? And it is actually 6 months later. 6 months later. There's the wife back there, and the baby is in the car seat. So I'm going to show you the baby, right? Muggle, go on, muggle. So that's the post office, right? George Brown Post Office, Turks and Caicos Islands, right? Show them the baby. So we're going to show you the baby now, right? This is Jahzaire 6 months later, right? 6 months later, our beautiful son. The delivery was perfect. The wife went in, the wife went in today and she came out the next day, right? So the delivery was okay. Jahzaire in the back sleeping. And he's doing well. At first, when he was in the hospital, he wasn't latching on to the breast, right? And taking the milk. So within the first week after I was born, he was, kind of latching on and off, until maybe about in the third week. I think about in the third week he started kind of latching on better, right? So and then after that, now everything just start flowing well. Everything alright? What make? So when they say it already?
I can check back tomorrow.
Yeah, people, so we are going to supermarket now. We're going to IGA. So this is Gracie IGA supermarket, right? So the wife gone to buy a few baking stuff, and me and Jahzaire inside the car.
So I need raisins, prunes. Alright, so this is what I got so far. Ooh, mackerel. I need some mackerel. We'll take up 3 mackerel. Alright, so this is the Jamaican section, right? So they have a lot of Jamaican stuff. They have a lot of Jamaican stuff going on right here. Look at that spooky thing. Wow, look at these buckets for Halloween.
Jahzaire sleeping, let me show you. One, two, three. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Right, so the wife is back. So we're heading out. We're going up to Grace Bay now. So so, yeah, boy, I love bite your lips out. They go out here. Yeah, yeah. Papa, ready? I'm going to eat ice cream. 1, 2, watch your teeth them. 1, 2, 3. Got this nice bird. Papa, we are at party place eating Devon House ice cream. My temper, Papa. Yeah. Eh?
Here, boo.
You want to get ice
Want some?
cream? Ice cream, yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yum,
Yes,
yum.
Papa. Mhm. So, ice cream almost done. She finished for already. The wife.
Alright.
Jahzaire get some too. So as you can see, Devon House ice cream. So we are going to close off now. Right? Yes, Papa. She two teeth them down there so now. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright, tell them bye bye, Papa. Papa, tell them bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Papa, bye bye. Bye bye. You just want make nice now. Alright then everybody, so bye bye.